Then what do you do when you're negotiating a license? Now, negotiating a license, how do you negotiate? Now, let me tell you one thing. Errors are most likely to come in what you leave out rather than what you remember to discuss. So you should have a checklist of what you're supposed to negotiate. The team negotiating should literally write it down on paper, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the checklist. This is what I'm going to negotiate. Then the most important practical piece of advice is have patience. Don't lose your patience. And be silent when it is necessary. Don't open your mouth during discussion. And sometimes when not also, you need to be. Then finally, if the things are not going properly in your favor, be prepared to walk out, in a deal which you don't want to do. Because if you want to get into a deal with the idea of sell at all costs, I want to get through, you will find yourself in a disastrous deal. Such sort of deals are not advisable. So what you are going to negotiate with the licensee or how it is going to be is something that you need to discuss. Then maybe you'll find a better, potential licensee, if you leave the first one. But generally, what happens in this sort of situations, the licensor generally will be talking to 2 or 3 people. You won't talk to one person. Then when we're dealing with such 2 or 3 prospects, typically they play one against the other until you get a sensible licensing position. What is a sensible licensing position? Where you have completely agreed or the terms that have been agreed are quite okay to you, where you find that a royalty would be coming in regularly, where you find that there will not be an infringement of your IPR, and where you will find that a goodwill will be generated, right? This is a sensible licensing position. Then negotiations to resolve around business issues and discussing the technical points, IPR, they're all necessary. It is for the licensor to decide how much to reveal, right? How much should the licensor reveal? So predetermine the extent of information that you're going to reveal and have a presentation. It needs to be more on a commercial term rather than academic ways. You should have a presentation which has got a lot of commercial terms. Don't, you can have technical jargon, 1 or 2, or maybe another 2 or 3, extending to 4 technical jargons with regard to the technology. But remember, you are making a deal. Apart from giving the technology, you are making a deal for a commercial term also. Then the negotiating team. Generally, what happens in such situation, a negotiating team is constituted, right? Before that, before getting into the actual thing, the negotiating team should discuss business scenarios. They should discuss various business scenarios, how it will arise, how are you going to deal with it, right? Now, having